In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 error that says it fails to insert a DXF file. This is a very common problem when you try to import a DXF into Fusion 360 and nothing happens, or you get an error message saying the file cannot be inserted. The good news is that in most cases, the problem is very easy to fix once you know what causes it. I'll walk you through several simple solutions step by step so you can successfully insert your DXF file and continue working on your design. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should check is the DXF version of the file. Fusion 360 sometimes has trouble reading newer DXF versions exported from other CAD programs. To fix this, open the DXF file in a CAD program such as AutoCAD, Libre CAD, or another editor that supports DXF files. Once the file is open, go to the Save As or Export option and save the file again as an older DXF version, such as AutoCAD 2013 or an earlier version. After saving the older version, go back into Fusion 360 and try inserting the file again. This simple change fixes a lot of DXF import errors. The next thing to check is unsupported geometry inside the DXF file. Fusion 360 can struggle with certain elements like splines, complex curves, or 3D objects that exist in the DXF. If your file contains splines, you should convert those splines into polylines before exporting the file. Most CAD programs have a spline to polyline conversion tool that simplifies the geometry and makes it easier for Fusion 360 to read. Once the curves are converted, export the DXF again and try inserting it one more time. Another important step is cleaning the DXF file. Many DXF files contain duplicate lines, overlapping shapes, unnecessary layers, or tiny fragments of geometry that can cause import errors. Open the DXF in your CAD software and remove duplicate lines, delete extra layers that you do not need, and clean up any overlapping geometry. Keeping the drawing simple and clean makes the import process much more reliable inside Fusion 360. Next, make sure you're inserting the DXF the correct way inside Fusion 360. Instead of trying to open the DXF file directly, you should first create a new sketch. Choose the plane where you want the design to appear, start a sketch, and then go to Insert and select Insert DXF. From there, you can choose your file and place it inside the sketch. This method works much more reliably than opening the DXF directly. Another fix is to export the DXF again from the original CAD program using simpler geometry settings. Sometimes the export settings include extra data that Fusion 360 does not need. Re-exporting the file with simplified curves or fewer entities can make the import work properly. As a quick tip, most DXF import failures in Fusion 360 happen because the file contains complex curves, unsupported elements like splines, or an incompatible DXF version. Simplifying the geometry and saving the file as an older DXF version solves the problem most of the time, and that's it. Now, you know several ways to fix the Fusion 360 error when it fails to insert a DXF file. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.